Andhra Pradesh, a state on the southeastern coast of India, is known as the Rice Bowl of India. The state is blessed with fertile lands and the mighty Godavari River. The Godavari is India's second longest river. It flows through Andhra Pradesh, providing sustenance to millions. Agriculture thrives in the region. Farmers cultivate a variety of crops, with rice being the most significant. The state's agricultural output contributes greatly to India's food security. However, this fertile land faces a constant challenge. The monsoon season in Andhra Pradesh is a time of both hope and anxiety. Farmers eagerly await the rains, which are crucial for their crops. The arrival of the monsoon brings much-needed rain, rejuvenating the parched lands and filling reservoirs. However, the intensity of the rainfall varies greatly from year to year, leading to unpredictable outcomes. In some years, the Godavari River swells, turning into a raging torrent, threatening nearby communities. Floods inundate villages and farmlands, causing widespread destruction and chaos. The floods displace communities and disrupt livelihoods, forcing people into makeshift shelters. They also damage crops, leading to food shortages and economic hardship. In contrast, during years of scanty rainfall, the Godavari River dwindles to a trickle. Drought conditions prevail, parching the land and making farming nearly impossible. Crops wither and fail, leading to agricultural distress and food insecurity. Farmers struggle to make ends meet, facing mounting debts and uncertainty. Rural communities face severe water shortages, impacting daily life and health. These cycles of floods and droughts highlight the urgent need for effective water management and sustainable practices in Andhra Pradesh. The Polavaram Project represents a bold vision for the future of Andhra Pradesh. It aims to address the state's pressing water challenges and ensure a sustainable water supply. The project is a multi-purpose irrigation initiative designed to benefit multiple sectors. It aims to harness the waters of the Godavari River, one of India's major rivers. The project promises to transform the state's water landscape, turning arid lands into fertile fields. The vision for this project was first conceived in the 1940s, showcasing its long-standing importance. Over the decades, it has gone through numerous revisions and delays, reflecting the challenges of such a massive undertaking. At its core, the Polavaram Project aims to achieve several critical objectives for the region. These include providing irrigation water to millions of acres of farmland, boosting agricultural productivity. It will also generate hydroelectric power, contributing to the state's energy needs. Additionally, it will supply drinking water to both urban and rural areas, improving public health and quality of life. The project seeks to mitigate the impacts of both floods and droughts, ensuring a balanced water management system. Ultimately, it aims to usher in an era of water security and agricultural prosperity for the people of Andhra Pradesh. Taming the Godavari dams, spillways and canals, the Polavaram Project is an engineering marvel. It involves the construction of a massive dam across the Godavari River. This dam will create a large reservoir storing billions of cubic meters of water. The dam's spillway is designed to discharge excess water. This will prevent flooding in the upstream areas. An intricate network of canals will channel the stored water to various parts of the state. These canals will irrigate vast tracts of farmland. They will also supply water to industries and urban centers. The project's scope is immense. It promises to transform the lives of millions of people in Andhra Pradesh. Powering progress. The hydroelectric component. Beyond irrigation, the Polavaram Project incorporates a significant hydroelectric power generation component. A powerhouse will be constructed as part of the dam. This will house turbines and generators. The force of water flowing through the dam will drive the turbines. They will generate electricity. This hydroelectric power generation will contribute significantly to Andhra Pradesh's energy needs. It will reduce the state's reliance on fossil fuels. It will promote cleaner energy production. The project aims to balance development with environmental sustainability, navigating challenges, delays, displacement, and environmental concerns. Despite its potential benefits, the Polavaram Project has faced numerous challenges and controversies. The project, which aims to provide irrigation, drinking water, and hydroelectric power, has been mired in delays and disputes. Land acquisition for the project has been a contentious issue. Many farmers and landowners have protested against the compensation offered, arguing that it is insufficient and does not reflect the true value of their land. The project's reservoir will submerge several villages, leading to the displacement of entire communities. This will displace thousands of families, forcing them to leave their ancestral homes and livelihoods behind. The government has implemented resettlement and rehabilitation programs to address these issues. New homes and facilities have been built, but the transition has not been smooth for many. However, these efforts have been met with resistance and criticism. Many displaced families feel that the new settlements lack basic amenities and are far from their original homes. Environmental concerns also surround the project. The construction of the dam and the reservoir will submerge large areas of forest land, leading to deforestation and habitat loss. The construction of the dam and the reservoir will submerge large areas of forest land, resulting in the loss of biodiversity and wildlife habitat. This will result in the loss of biodiversity and wildlife habitat, affecting numerous species, some of which are endangered. The project's impact on downstream ecosystems and fish populations has also been a point of contention. Fishermen and environmentalists have raised concerns about the changes in water flow and quality. Political conflicts and budgetary constraints have further hampered the project's progress. Disagreements between state and central governments have led to delays and funding issues. Changes in government and political priorities have led to delays and funding shortfalls. Each new administration brings its own set of priorities, often causing shifts in focus and resources. The project's estimated cost has escalated significantly over the years. Initial budgets have been exceeded, and the financial burden continues to grow. The Polavaram Project embodies both the promise and the challenges of large-scale infrastructure development. It represents a significant investment in the region's future. Its completion holds the potential to transform Andhra Pradesh's water landscape, boosting agricultural productivity and providing water security. Farmers eagerly await the benefits that the project promises to deliver. Sustainable solutions need to be found to mitigate the negative impacts. Renewable energy projects and community engagement are steps in the right direction. The Polavaram Project stands as a testament to the complexities of development. It highlights the intricate balance required to achieve progress while minimizing harm.